In this video, we are going to talk about Moon conjunct with Mars and the best ascendants for it and how to judge it and more. So keep watching. Namaste and welcome to Vedic Astrology channel. I am your host Prasad Mahazani. Help you raise your vibrations and become your true self with the help of Vedic Astrology. Moon conjunct Mars. What is Moon? What is Moon? Moon is the planet which represents your emotions. Moon is the planet which represents your mother. Moon is also responsible for all your decision makings, all your bias, all your desires, emotions. All these things can be seen with Moon. Moon is super important. Usually we neglect Moon and focus on Rahu, Saturn and all other planets, but Moon is equally important. That's why the Sadesati is calculated with respect to Moon. Okay, so Moon is super important. What is Mars? Mars is the planet which represents anger, energy, competition, and it also represents taking rash decisions at times. But Mars represents passion and force, the energy force, vitality can be seen with Mars. Mars also represents blood. Mars is also the representation of your siblings. Mars signifies land and building in your life as well. Let's talk about the conjunction of Moon and Mars in your birth chart. Let's talk about the effect of Mars and Moon conjunction in your birth chart. Mars is the planet of energy and Moon is the planet of your mind. So now your mind is associated with your energy. So whatever your mind thinks, now Mars will provide it with energy to do it. We always say that energy backed by willingness, backed by energy. Okay, so this Moon Mars conjunction represents a person who is not only willing to do something but is backed by energy. Okay, let's say from 1st of January or from the 1st of this month, I'll start meditating or I will start working out. Okay, I decided that, and you know what happens the next morning? You simply snooze the alarm. Okay, why? Because you lack the discipline, you lack the energy. Okay, but now your willingness is backed by the energy of Mars, the discipline of Mars. Now this energy is connected with your mind. Now you are determined, aggressive, and you are always on to your goal. You will never lose focus. Moon is the planet of emotions and Mars is the planet of discipline, aggression and determination. So these people are always motivated, and more so these people can also motivate those around them because they have this feeling of motivation and energy from within because of this martial association with their mind. Now their mind is connected with this aggression, with this energetic planet like Mars. So they are never lazy people. Okay, and on the particular thing about Mars and Moon is they are ready to do anything to achieve their goals. When I say ready to anything, I mean they are ready to take on any kind of hardships, the physical hardships, to achieve or conquer their goal. These people will always face the difficulties happily because they know what it takes to reach to that goal and they are okay with it. They like to be on the path and achieve their goals no matter what. Okay, now the next impact of Mars and Moon conjunction is it is also a yoga which is associated with your anger. So these people have to be careful when it comes to anger. These people can have an anger issue because now Mars is taking hold of your mind. Okay, so the best thing is to control the anger. But if you could channelize this energy for your highest good, these are the people who will be the most successful people, will be the most enthusiastic people, and are the people who are always ready to take on new challenges all the time. More so, they are also ready to sacrifice or take any physical challenge or hardship in order to achieve the goal, because they know what it takes to achieve that goal. Okay, so they are always have this winning attitude into their life because of this martial impact. Mars is a straightforward planet. Mars doesn't work like Venus or Moon. Those female planets which are receptive, those are the planets who wait for other people's, are the planet who will work with companionship, will work in a team with other people. Now, these people like to be independent. These people like to, be on their own and achieve their goals. That's it. They don't like to hang around with other people or wait for other people to help them. Okay, instead of that, they would take the initiative and start walking on the path, set an example, and will inspire other people to achieve that goal. And those who are on the same path will be inspired by these people. Moon is also the planet of fluctuation. The planet of fluctuation is connected with the planet of anger or energy. Now these people, have an uneven moods. Okay, sometimes they feel energetic, and other times they don't feel, doing things, or at times they feel angry, and other times they don't feel motivated enough or passionate enough. Okay, this is because of the fluctuation of the moon connected with this energy. The martial energy is not that fluctuating, but moon, which is the mind, is fluctuating. Okay, so if this person can fix this, if this person can work on being consistent, okay, if this person has a very good Saturn in his chart, then he will be able to handle this fluctuations with ease, because Saturn is about repetitive, redundant actions. So now this will help this person to be consistent with the energy provided by the Mars. They will always have this consistency with the energy, okay, rather than just having ups and downs in the energy level. Okay. Moon is the planet which likes to depend on others, like to take help from others, and Mars doesn't like it. This is one contradiction, and they always have to deal with this. Okay, once they fix this in the initial part of their life, they will be able to, use this conjunction for their highest good. Just because you have Moon Mars conjunction doesn't mean this is the best conjunction. Okay, you have to judge the condition of the planets involved into this yoga to see what you can expect from this yoga. First is lordship, then dignity, then yoga, then the dasha, and we can also check the Lajitadi avasthas of the planet as well. Okay, these things will give you the real picture, real strength of the planet, and what you can expect from these planets. Okay, let's imagine you have Mars and Moon conjunct into the sign of Cancer, where Mars gets debilitated. The energy is, getting debilitated, but Moon is into its own sign. Okay, so now Moon has the strength. Now you have to check what is the ascendant, and then the Moon will be the prominent planet and Mars will be, in a subordinate planet. Again, the degrees of the planet will change the game as well. Okay, so there are a lot of things to look out for. Okay, but the point here is you have to judge the conjunction before you jump to the conclusion. Okay, the best ascendant for Moon and Mars conjunction is Cancer, because it rules the first house, the the fifth house and the 10th house. So one Kendra, one trine, and two trine and two Kendra houses. Okay, let's say you have even if you have a debilitated Mars conjunct with Moon into the Lagna, you will experience good results with this planet, because the lordship of the planet also needs to be considered into the final outcome of the conjunction. Okay, so yes, this was Moon and Mars conjunct, as much as I could hold, grasp and share with you guys. If you want to learn Vedic astrology, sending you tons of positive energy, sending you high vibrations. See you in the next videos. Love and peace. Namaste.